Hi,
Hi, how are you?
I like your frames. Good, how are you?
Yeah, I'm also good. You are really look like a queen with this crown. Wow.
I like a queen. Oh, thank
Yeah.
you.
Welcome,
Thank you so
welcome.
much. Thank you.
Welcome.
I like your frames. Thank you. I like the
My
sticks. That's
glasses?
lit.
You like my glasses?
Yeah. Yeah,
Oh,
I
really?
like those.
Do you wanna
Yeah, it's swag. You listen.
take it?
No, I don't want to take them. They
Oh,
look nice on you
okay.
though. I like them.
Okay.
Yeah, they look good.
So,
Your skin looks good too.
oh, really? Oh, thank you.
Mhm.
Where are you from?
I'm from Arkansas in the States. Where are you from?
Oh, United States. Okay, I am from Bangladesh.
Oh, I've never been to Bangladesh. I want to visit though.
Oh, really? You wanna visit here? You wanna visit my
Yeah,
country?
I do want to visit. Yes, it's on.
Oh,
But yes, I want to.
okay.
I want to come to Bangladesh. I do. I
Oh,
want to come and visit.
okay. I invite you to
Yes,
come here. Welcome to my country.
thank you. I just followed you. How long have you been on Beacon?
I'm here since 3 months, and I'm practicing English here.
Okay. Are you using it to practice your English?
Yeah. How about you?
That's smart. This is like a week and a half.
Oh, okay. Okay. What's your name?
It's Ashley.
Ashley.
Ashley, what's your name?
Ashley. Oh, nice name. Nice to meet
Hmm.
you, Ashley.
Nice to meet you too.
Hey, Ashley.
Yes. Hey, stop.
You have nice hair. Wow. So beautiful.
Oh, thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you
Welcome.
so much. I appreciate you for
Uh,
noticing. Yeah,
let
he said I got to hear.
Ashley.
Hmm.
Let me see your hair clearly. Wow, how beautiful your hair is.
Oh, you have beautiful eyes.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Thank you.
They look unreal. They look like a tiger's eye. They're pretty. They're gorgeous.
Oh, thank you. So, can I ask you some question if you don't mind?
Yes, you can ask me a question.
You're really so pretty. You're really so beautiful
Oh, thank
too.
you.
Welcome. How about your profession? What do you do for your living?
I am an event designer. Virtual businesses here and there. So little e-com businesses. What do you
Oh,
do?
okay. It means you're really smart woman. I mean, lady.
Sometimes. Sometimes.
Yeah.
I would say I'm more clever. More clever than smart. What do you do? You
Own
own a
little
business too?
business. Yeah. So, do you have any car?
Hmm. Do you have a
Have you
car?
have
Do
you
you have a
ever
car?
have you ever driven Ferrari?
No, I don't have a Ferrari.
Oh, okay.
I thought, what type of car do you have? Do you have a Ferrari?
No, I don't have any car. Ashley.
Yes, yes,
So
stop.
our PK has finished. So it's time to say goodbye.
Yes.
So see you
It's very
again.
nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
I enjoy speaking with you.
So bye. See you.
Bye.